Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to refer a friend on Hollywoodbets. If you want to refer a friend on Hollywoodbets, the process is quick and straightforward. Start by sharing either your account number or the mobile number linked to your account with your friend. They'll need this during registration, along with the referral code provided in your profile under the Refer a Friend option. Once you access this section, you'll find your unique referral link. Simply copy it and send it to your friend. When your friend signs up using that link, they must ensure your account number is added at the end of their sign up form. After creating their account, they'll need to make a minimum deposit of R50, claim the R25 bonus, and wagger both the deposit and the bonus amount. Once the steps are complete, just wait for 24 hours and you'll be eligible to receive your referral bonus. It's that easy to start earning by inviting your friends to Hollywood Bets. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.